A very good morning to all of you. How are you doing? Great. So I welcome you to one more new session of maths class. Okay kids, so we were on chapter number 7 and what's the name of our chapter? Subtraction of 4 digits number. Okay kids, come on everyone, go and get your maths observation book. We are going to do sums from this book today. Got it? आप लोग ले आए? Okay kids. Now you have to open page number 59. In this, we will solve question number 6. What it is written? What number is 1000 less than 8151? What do you mean by less than? Less than का मतलब होता है that you have to subtract. So what are you going to subtract? You are going to subtract 1000 from 8151. From 8151, you are going to subtract 1000. Come on, subtract 1, 5, 1. What is 8 minus 1? It is 7. So what is your answer, kids? Your answer is 7151. So what are you going to write here? 7151. Okay. And here in the rough space you are going to do the sum. You are going to solve it. Okay. Now kids, let's move on to next sum. How much less is 6224 from 8647? So kids, less is written in front of this number. So this will be a subtrahend and this number is going to be a minuend. Always you know, no kids, that minuend is the bigger number and subtrahend is smaller than it. Okay. So now let's solve kids sum number 7. What is the minuend? It is 8645. And what is the subtrahend, kids? It is 6524. Now you have to subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 5 is 1. And 8 minus 6 is 2. So what is your answer, kids? 2121. So what are you going to write here? 2121. This is your answer. Okay. Now let's move on to sum number 8. What it is written? How much more is 4512 from 1452? Kids, now here it is coming more. Again you have to find out difference only in this. But here more is written at the minuend. Earlier less was written at the subtrahend. And here more is written at the minuend. So what is the minuend? It is 4512. And what is the subtrahend? It is 1452. Now let's subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. You cannot subtract 5 from 1, so 1 will be carried from here. So now this will become 11 and this will become 4. 11 minus 5, 6. 4 minus 4, 0. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So what is your answer going to be? That how much more it is? It is 3060 more. Okay. So this is your answer going to be. Okay kids, now we will solve this sum number 9. In this we have to subtract A1. It is subtract 1458 from 5478. So which number is bigger? This is bigger. So this is going to be a minuend and this is going to be the subtrahend. Here kids, in verification you put a you just put a cross, and here you are going to use it, just cross it. Okay. Now you have to solve this sum in the table provided. So let's make a table. We are solving question number 9. Okay kids, so what's your today work? You have to solve question number 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9, there are 4 sums, A, B, C and D. You have to solve it in the book only. Page number 59 and 60 in your math observation book. Okay kids, now this is enough for today. Now we will meet in our next maths class. Till then, you take good care of yourselves. Bye bye kids. Write the place values: ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Now kids, tell me what is the minuend. It is 5,478. And what is the subtrahend? It is 1,458. Now you have to subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. 7 minus 5 is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0 and 5 minus 1 is 4. So kids, now tell me what is your answer? 4,020. Okay. Now we move on. This was sum number A. Now we move on to sum number B. Again draw a table. Write the place value: ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now in this case, you have to subtract 2,457 from 6,451. So what is the minuend? 6,451. And what is the subtrahend? It is 2,457. Now come on kids, start subtracting. You cannot subtract 7 from 1. So 1 needs to borrow. So this will become 11 and this will become 4. 11 minus 7 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 4. Now again you cannot subtract 5 from 4, so you will borrow 1 from here. So this will become 14 and this you have to cut and you are going to write here 3. Now 14, subtract 5 from 14, what's the answer going to be? 9. Very good kids. 3 minus 4 you cannot, so you have to borrow one number. So this will become 13 and this will become 5. Now 13 minus 4 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9. And 5 minus 2 is 3. So what is the answer? 3,994.